Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious vodka margarita using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 ounces of your favorite vodka, 1 ounce of fresh lime juice, and 3/4 of an ounce of orange liqueur. Also, have a lime wedge and some salt ready for your glass, along with a cocktail shaker and plenty of ice. Now, let's prepare your glass. Take a lime wedge and run it around the rim of your chosen glass, then gently dip the rim into a shallow plate of salt to create a nice, even coating. Next, pour 2 ounces of vodka, 1 ounce of fresh lime juice, and 3/4 of an ounce of orange liqueur into your cocktail shaker. Fill the shaker about 2/3 full with ice. With all your ingredients in the shaker, secure the lid tightly. Now, shake vigorously for about 15 to 20 seconds. You'll feel the shaker get very cold in your hands, which means your drink is perfectly chilled and well mixed. Once shaken, remove the lid and use a strainer to pour the contents directly into your salt-trimmed glass, leaving the ice behind. Finally, for the perfect finishing touch, take another fresh lime wedge and place it on the rim of your glass. Your easy vodka margarita is now complete and ready to be enjoyed. This simple method ensures a perfectly balanced and refreshing drink every time. Cheers to your homemade cocktail.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.